In this video, we are going to learn about Bitquery's Ripple Transfers API. All the API links will be in the description along with Bitquery Telegram channel link. You will need to sign up first on id.bitquery.io and you will get 10,000 free points to run and test the APIs. We are going to see two APIs in this tutorial. First one will be API to get transfers of a currency on Ripple. Second one will be API to get all historical transfers of an individual address. Make sure this is API v1 here because right now Ripple data is only available in v1. Let's start with the first API. We're getting all transfers of a currency on Ripple. Select Ripple, then select transfers, and then under transfers you can see these differently colored attributes. These are basically the filters. Select options, and under that select the order of response in descending order according to the field block. Then select the limit as 10 and offset as 0. I'm also going to select the date filter here using since, until. I'm putting in these dates, but you can set these dates as per your choice. So we want the transfers of a particular currency, right? To do that, use this any keyword, and under that array, if any of the following conditions satisfy, then this will be in a response. So in any, we put the currency to symbol as CNY or currency from symbol as CNY. I'm checking transfers of the CNY currency here. You can select any other currency also. Now select the fields you need info about. Select timestamp, and under that select time. Then select amount from. We're also going to select amount from in USD. I'm going to give this an alias name because of this conflict. I'm also going to select amount to. I'm also going to select the amount to in USD. So now I have selected amount to in USD also. Now I'm going to select block. Also select this currency from, and under that address, name, symbol, decimals, token ID, and token type. And do the same for this currency too. Address, decimals, name, symbol, token ID, and token type. Select the direction and then select receiver, and under that address and annotation, and the same goes for sender, address and annotation. The query is done, and now I'm going to run this query. You can see the response. Now moving on to the second query, we are getting all historical transfers of an individual address. Just copy paste the first API in the new tab. So we had our currency fixed here, but we don't need that right now. Now what we want is to get all transfers of an individual address. So I will just specify the address as receiver or sender using any. So if the particular address is receiver or if it is even sender, we're going to get that transfer in our response. Now I just want to change this order to ascending according to the timestamp dot time. Now I'll run this query. These were the two APIs of Ripple transfers. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.